When the check engine light came on, I started diagnosing the issue. Using a scan tool, I retrieved the fault code P0505, which points to a problem with the idle air control (IAC) system. The IAC system is responsible for managing the engine's idle speed by regulating the amount of air bypassing the throttle plate. I began by inspecting the ignition system and air intake system to rule out other potential causes. Both systems appeared to be in good condition with no visible concerns. To check for air leaks, I connected a smoke machine to the intake manifold and induced smoke into the air intake system. I carefully monitored for escaping smoke, but found no leaks. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the idle air control valve, looking for signs of damage, loose connections, or corrosion. Everything appeared intact. With the key in the on position and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the idle air control valve connector. Both were present, confirming the power supply and grounding were functional. To pinpoint the issue, I used the multimeter to measure the resistance of the idle air control valve itself. The resistance reading was outside the manufacturer's specifications, confirming that the idle air control valve was faulty. After diagnosing the problem, I replaced the faulty idle air control valve with a new one. Once the replacement was complete, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. The idle air control valve is a critical component because it ensures the engine maintains a stable idle speed under varying conditions, such as when the air conditioning is on or when additional electrical loads are applied. A faulty valve can disrupt this balance, leading to unstable idling, stalling, or triggering the check engine light. By methodically inspecting and testing the system, I was able to identify and resolve the root cause, restoring the vehicle's proper functionality.